Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be installing this RAM right here onto this iMac. So it's really easy to do. What we have to do first of all is turn off your Mac and unplug it. So on the back of your iMac you will see a plug. Just unplug that, that way no electricity is going through. Leave that for just 2 minutes or 5 minutes, around there, it's fine. And then what you guys have to do is up here you will see a button. Just press that button, so that's up here. See that button? Just press on it. If your fingers are too wide, just like mine, I'm just gonna use this cable right now. Once you push that in, this is supposed to pop out. Okay. And make sure before touching your old and new RAM, just touch some wood with your hands. That way you have no static. Because right now it's really important that you have no static on your hands, because that can burn out your new RAM or your old RAM, or even parts in your Mac. So you don't want that, okay? So just make sure you have no static on your hands. So right now we should see this. And what we have to do with both of our fingers is just push this to the side. So we're going to push it to the side. At the same time, we're going to do the other side. So use both of your hands to push these two to the sides. Once we push them to the sides, this will come out. Okay? And then we can take out the RAM or just put in the new one. So if you guys are upgrading, putting in more RAM, you guys can go ahead. If you guys want to take it out, right now you guys can take out the old one and put in the new one. However, at this time I have 2 more slots. There's 4 slots in total. So what I'm going to do is take my new RAM right here and I'm going to insert it in there. Now the way you have to insert it, there's only one way to do this, and it's not going to fit any other way. So don't force it in. And we're just going to place it on the top right now. So that's the first one. We're going to place our second one, which will go in the bottom. Now remember, if you try to put it in the wrong way, so just this way, it's not going to fit in. I'm just going to show you that. So as you can see, if I put it the wrong way, it's not going to slide the whole way in. And so if you do that, don't worry about it. Just don't push it. Don't force it in. We're going to take it out and put it in the right way. So the correct way of putting it in is this way. So there we go. We're just gonna make sure it's nice in there. Now the top one, I think I need to push it in a little bit more. There we go. Pushed in. I'm holding onto my screen as I push it. So it should be flat like the other ones. There we go. And now they're nice and secure. I can go ahead and put this back. There we go. Make sure it's nice and locked. And you are all done. We're going to turn on our Mac and see if everything went okay. So after that, just turn on your Mac, and what we're going to do is click on the Apple logo on the left-hand side. So at the top left-hand side, you guys will see an Apple logo. Click on there, and then About This Mac. So that's the very first option on the Apple logo, About This Mac. Once that comes up, you will see these options. So just click on the 4th option where it says Memory. That's the 4th option up here. And here you can verify if your RAM is installed, and it detects it and it's all good. Most likely it is gonna detect it if you guys bought something that's compatible with your Mac, and you're gonna be able to run everything just well. So right now I can see 16 gigs. That's exactly what I installed. What my Mac came with was 4 and 4. So in total, that's 40 gigs installed right here. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.